2.
My lady's question on academics and academic score,
Yes.
singular and plural.
Right.
Now, this is only English grammar. How are you in academics? Means English, math, so and so forth. What is your academic performance? What is your academic score? That is the only
Tell
distinction.
me one thing.
My-
How are you
Yes, madam.
interested in this matter?
No, I am in 4 IAs before you,
Yes.
untainted candidates,
Maybe.
all of whom have prior experience. Now I'll tell you, I'm answering my lady's second question.
Right.
You see, we all have prior experience. Some of us may have 3 years, some of us may have 6 years. So inter se in this category, if you even look at the rules, I may get 2 years for 1 year's experience. I may get 6 points for 3 years
Right,
experience.
right.
Now, please see.
Copy of our application.
Now, please see. May I just take you back? We are just on interpretation right now, not on merits. We're on interpretation.
Give a copy.
But
Give
no,
a copies. There was direction for circulation of.
Check the correction. She is not even a party.
I am in items 9, 10, 11, 12, 14.
In 10, I have
14.
made him party.
Who have you served, madam? Who have you served? The councils are here.
There was a direction on the last occasion.
Yes.
Arey, give copies of
Who
the
did you
affidavit of
serve?
service here. Give copies of the affidavit.
Who did you serve? The councils are there. Item 9, who did you
10,
serve?
10,
No, item 9.
9 and
9.
10.
We are in
9
9,
and
10.
10.
They're identical, my lady.
Right, 9
9,
and 10.
10.
Who did you serve? If there is no service, then I'm not going to hear you at all. Show me.
This is the service.
Please, onake dekhan.
9 and 10.
9 and 10, check out whether service has been affected or not.
Baaki service ko
If not,
9 and
please
10 are
hand over copies. Yes, madam.
Yes. So on points of academics and academic score, because the rule could not have said academic score. It has to be, it's a composite. It's just English grammar, my lady, nothing more. Academics has 2 components. So therefore, schedule 2, the title has to be academics because there are 2 components to it. Component 1 is educational qualification. Component 2 is the prior teaching experience. Both these are academics. If you ask my son, for instance, what are your academics like? What's your performance? And of course, he runs away when I ask him this. But it will be more than one: math, English, PE, so on and so forth. What is your academic performance? What is your academic score? That is a composite. So it is only on English. It is not contradictory. Nothing needs to be read out. That's the first submission. Now, please see the second submission. Please go to prior teaching experience, 10 marks. My lady has that, schedule 2. At the secondary level in a government or government aided or government sponsored school, calculated on the basis of 2 marks for each year of service in a substantive post as permanent or contractual basis. So this could include those who are not part of the 2016 recruitment cycle. This could include those who are part of it. This could include those who are in government teaching positions, or this could include those who are on contractual positions. So
No,
the
it's
net
all
is
right.
very wide.
All said and done.
Yes.
The stage. You get the marks.
Yes.
What stage?
Now the stage. Now please go to rule 11.
Yes.
Rule 11 makes it clear, and then I'll come back to 2K and 2L. Rule 11, my lady has this.
Yes.
In my compilation, it's 541, but
I
be that
have
as it is. Method of SLST for selection of candidates and preparation of the panel. The method for selection of candidates. Now, please turn the page over. Please see the sequencing that happens. Rule 10, this is 11, subclass 10, my lady. Preliminary list of shortlisted candidates, step 1. Thereafter, 11, regional commission shall verify the credentials. So at this point, I have taken the exam. I have given my educational qualifications, which are in academics. Please see, that is in schedule 2, academics. So at this stage, 11, there is a verification of schedule 2 that is happening. This is step 2. Step 3, 12. The regional commission during document verification in case of any doubt on disability. So any other specified categories, there may be other categories also. Step 4. So 3 continues. This is verification of documents. What documents? Educational qualifications. This is criterion 1 of academics. Now please go to 15. The Central Commission, a regional commission submits these report to the Central Commission. The Central Commission, after we have finished this process of academics, which includes educational plus prior teaching. Now step 3. After this, the Central Commission shall prepare a consolidated interview list, which shall be published and be forwarded to the interview board. After academics has been assessed, this composite list, step 3, is sent to the interview board. Step 4, the final step. After the interview board shall forward a detailed report to the Central Commission, which shall, from the interview list and on the basis of the report of the interview board, prepare and publish a merit list. This is the final stage. The culmination of 1 to 4 is step 5, which is the merit list, which, my lady, is L. That is the final stage. The rules are harmonious. We may have belabored its explanation, but the rules are in consonance with the steps which the rules provide for. It is in consonance with English grammar, and it is in consonance with the idea that a seminal idea which the Supreme Court has long upheld. It is within executive and legislative domain to fix qualifications. There is no preferential treatment here. We are choosing the best possible teachers. That includes educational qualifications, that includes prior teaching experience, that includes performance in the interview.
Very well.